Hello everyone! Today, we'll learn how to create a manufacturing process and job card in Jewelstep, the ultimate cloud-based ERP solution for jewelry retailers and manufacturers. Let's get started. The first step in the manufacturing process is to create an order. To do this, go to the Sales Order module. Once you're there, select the customer name from the list. For this example, let's choose Apurva Jewelry. Next, it's time to fill in the order details. Start by selecting the salesperson name. If the product is diamond jewelry, make sure to choose the appropriate product type. For this example, we are making a 22-carat ring with an approximate gross weight of 20 grams. Once you've entered the product details, add a tag number. You have two options. You can manually enter a tag number, which will appear on the job card, or if you leave the field blank, the system will auto-generate a tag number for you. In this case, let's manually enter tag number 809. Now that the main details are in, let's look at some additional options. If the customer provides diamonds or stones, you can add them here. You can also add a cash advance, if applicable. If you have a sample jewelry image, you can upload it as a reference. Once everything looks good, click Save to confirm the order. With the order saved, head over to the sales order process to review your entry. Here, you'll see all the key details displayed, including product name, 22-carat ring tag number 809, which we manually entered, customer name, Apurva Raut. Since we haven't created the job card yet, the current department will be blank and the status will show as not initiated. And that's how you create a manufacturing order in Jewelstep. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to create a job order and job card. Thank you for watching and see you next time.